Have you ever typed everything into Canva and still couldn't find the exact element you were looking for? You know it's there, but Canva just won't show it. If you are a designer, content creator, YouTuber, or marketer, this problem is silently killing your productivity and your designs. But today, that ends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find specific Canva elements, introducing you a powerful Canva elements keyword list that most creators don't even know. These keywords will unlock hidden graphics, shapes, icons, design assets that Canva never shows by default. If you want to design faster, smarter, like a pro, don't skip a single second. I am Sai from DigiWhisper, and let's unlock Canva the right way. How to get perfect elements in your design in Canva. First, open your canvas and then click here, the Elements tab. And here you need to type your perfect keyword to get your target elements. So here I have listed most used keywords to share with you. So let's see what we need to type in our Canva search box to get these types of elements. Here you see this type of element is called abstract. If you need more specific, you can search abstract line, abstract art to get exactly this type of element in your canvas. And next one is organic. If you need this type of element, you need to type organic. Or if you need more specific, you can search organic shape, organic line, organic rainbow, or organic delicate. This type of keyword to get exactly this type of elements. So the next one is 3D. If you want this type of shape or this type of element in your design, you need to type 3D. Let's say 3D letters, 3D bubble letters, or this type of specific keyword. And the next one is celestial. If you need exactly this type of elements in your design, you need to type celestial or mystical or astrology or moon phase, exactly this type of specific keyword to get these elements. And the next one is nature. If you want nature type elements like this, you need to type nature or blooming flower, flower borders, flower outline, this type of specific keyword. I will share this file with you. If you need, you can comment in this video to get this file from me so that you can save it and use it when you need it. And the next one is eco-friendly. If you want this type of element in your design, you need to type eco-friendly or specifically eco-friendly, sustainable, recycle, reusable, this type of keyword in your Canva search box. And the next one is people. If you want to get these types of illustration or elements in your design, you need to type specific keywords or just people in your Canva element search box. So here are some of the very specific keywords to get these types of elements. You just need to copy it and paste it to the Canva search box to get these types of illustration. And the next one is background. If you need this type of background, you need to type either background or texture, water, pattern, watercolor, gradient, exactly this type of keyword in your search box. And the next one is texture. So these elements are called texture. If you need texture, you need to type texture in your Canva element search box or ripple, paper, shadow, this type of keyword in your Canva search box. The next one is watercolor. If you need exactly this type of elements, you need to type watercolor or watercolor animal, watercolor leaf, watercolor circle to get specific or your target element in your Canva design. And the next one is paintbrush. If you need this type of element, you need to type paintbrush or new brush stroke, paint drip, paint splatter, exactly this type of keyword. The next one is minimalist. If you want this type of elements in your design, you need to type minimalist or line flower, monoline, leaf line, frame, exactly this type of keyword to get these elements. Next one is weather. If you want weather type elements, you need to type either weather or this type of elements. Weather, acid rain, lava, this type of keywords in your Canva search box. And the next one is decorative. If you want this type of elements in your design, you need to type either decorative or this type of keywords. Let's say washi trap, garland, fancy border, sparkle, these types of specific keywords. And the next one is comic. If you want exactly this type of element, you need to type comic in your Canva search box. Comic, comic bubble, comic background, comic strip, comic book, this type of things. And the next one is quotes. If you want exactly these types of element, you need to type either quotes or quotation marks, motivational, quote bubble, quote box, quotations, text box, exactly this type of keyword in your Canva search box. And the next one is Boho. If you need this type of element in your design, you need to type Boho. This is the generic keyword. But if you need more specific, you can search Boho rainbows, Boho aesthetics, Boho logo, Boho floral, exactly this type of keywords to get specific Canva elements. And the next one is hand drawn. If you need this type of elements, you need to type hand drawn or hand drawn line, hand drawn doodle, blogger doodle, these types of things. And the next one is fiction. If you want this type of elements, you need to type either fiction or fantasy, fiction, horror, these types of specific keyword. And the next one is scientific. If you need exactly this type of elements, you need to type either chemistry, math, or scientific, these types of keyword, or you can copy and paste exactly these keywords. And the next one is borders. If you need to add these types of border in your design, you can just search borders, or you can use these types of specific keyword, floral border, square border, gold frame, these types of keywords. So if you want this type of human rights related element, you need to type either human rights or equality, unity, BLM, gender equality, this type of keywords. And the next one is mindfulness. If you want exactly this type of elements in your design, you need to type mindfulness or yoga, self-care, meditation, meditate, mental health, or other these types of keyword as well. The next one is travel. If you want exactly this type of elements, you need to type travel or digital nomad, van life, passport, airport, luggage, plane ticket, these types of keywords. The next one is outdoor. If you need exactly these types of elements, you need to type either outdoor or camping, hiking, hike, campfire, these types of keywords. The next one is Kawaii. If you want exactly these types of elements in your design, you need to type either Kawaii or cute element, Kawaii, chibi cute dog, cute cat, these types of keywords. And the next one is shadows. If you want to get these types of shadow elements, you can either type shadows, blur, drop shadow, fade, circle shadow, these types of specific keywords. The next one is social media. If you want to get these types of social media related elements, you can either type social media or social media icons, Twitter, Facebook, or specific types of social media keywords. The next one is digital marketing. If you want these types of digital marketing related elements in your Canva design, you can either type digital marketing or specific types of digital marketing. Let's say social media marketing, SEO, Google ads, Facebook ads, content writing, specific types of keywords. The next one is web development. If you want to get these types of elements in your design, you need to either type web development or web development related keywords. Let's say hosting, domain, WordPress, CSS, HTML, PHP, programming, JavaScript, these types of keywords. The next one is effects. If you want to get these types of effects in your design, you need to either type effects or spotlights, lens flare, smoke, splash, these types of keywords. The next one is sticker. If you want to get these types of elements in your design, this is called sticker. You need to type either sticker or stickers arrow, stickers sparkle, stickers hearts, these types of specific keywords. So that's it. Now it's your turn to make your design awesome. That's all now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the DigiWhisper channel.